Hi, thanks for checking out another video on Ideas Box. I'm Jimmy, and today's video is of a modification to our trailer, the one we use to transport our mini digger, which we affectionately have named Tonka. It was pretty simple, and as I explain in the video, pretty important too. Anywho, let's get into it. I've made a slight modification to our trailer. When we move our mini digger, we move it on our 7x5 box trailer. And it's got a cage, but I take the cage off obviously because you need to be able to swing it around. So, and the counterweight comes to about maybe 2 inches, an inch or so off of that. So I lent it to some friends, to a local family last week, and when I went to pick it up, I was driving the excavator up there, and as you can see, it's not a steep slope, and if you get it lined up right, it's pretty right. You can get the excavator right in the center, which is nice, to get the weight in the center. But as I was coming up, I was off line a little bit, so I steered it back, and it nearly pulled, see that there, nearly pulled that out of there. That was right out to about here, so there was only about maybe 15 millimeters of this pin here inside this piece of tubing. So I got up onto the trailer as fast as I could, and so I've come up with a countermeasure, which is to put an R-clip in there. Because this isn't the first time it's happened, I just thought it was a one-off the first time. I think it's the second or third time it's happened. So I thought, well, I'll make a countermeasure, but I've also shortened this. This piece here is now maybe 30 millimeters between there and the pin. So about from there to about there. And it used to be about 60, because I was trying to pick up this height here, because I thought that was important, that height there, but it's not. Because that was so long, that was putting quite a lever force on this face here. I don't know if you can just make it out, but it's just kind of buckled that face there. So that's now a shorter lever force. That pin has now got an R-clip to stop these from kicking out sideways. I've also got one here in the center, so that if you want to, you can get a motorbike up on there. And the reason I did that was because years ago a mate of mine borrowed this trailer before I modified it to have these attachment points, and this lip was just sitting on here, and his mate was standing just yakking and having a beer, and that slipped off, landed on his foot and broke a bone in his foot. So if it's for single wheel vehicles there, and if it's for two-wheel vehicles, it's there and there, because they're just the attachment points for the trailer's tailgate. I'll show you them in a second. So there's the tailgate reattached. And as you can see, the ramps simply go on where the two hinge tubes are for the tailgate. So it's that simple. And when it's stowed, it just looks like that. And because that handle comes back this way, that doesn't interfere at all. So what I'll do is I'll find a home for these two pins. I've got a little toolbox on the side here, but I think they will fall through the gaps in the toolbox. The thing is, I have thought of it. These are 3mm pins, and the holes, that hole there is 3.5. So if you have to, you can use a piece of fencing wire. I'll put split rings on these. I've got a fair few of these from some hose fittings I bought a while back. So they're going to go in there, and I'm pretty sure those split rings will stop them from going out any small gaps. With the added benefit is it makes them easier to remove. So if that's tucked down in that gap in there, like I showed you before, then you just grab that and just pull it out. Easy peasy. Also, when I bought this trailer 10 years ago, those pins were the same length. So what I've done is I've shortened one, obviously this one here, so that you get one pin started, then you line up this one here. so that you're not trying to get both bloody pins lined up at the same time. That should be just common sense for any manufacturer, wouldn't you think? Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you an idea of how to sort an issue you might be having. Make sure to click like and subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell too. Well, I reckon that's it for today, so bye for now.